Hi, David. How are you?
I'm well, thanks. Ni hao.
Ni hao. So we have using acupuncture to work on your digestive system for almost 6 years.
Not only digestive, we started.
Yes, we started. And what's the problem you had when it brings you here?
Initially, my problem was I came back from a trip overseas and I had a terrible stomach problem.
So what kind of stomach problem is that?
Continual diarrhea.
Yeah, so David had been visiting many doctors to solve the problems. And then his smart wife brought him to his acupuncturist and see if we can solve this diarrhea problem.
Without antibiotics.
So you did take antibiotics? Okay.
About 16.
16 kinds or?
Different kinds, getting more expensive each time.
Okay. And how's the diarrhea? Is it kind of a explosive or watery? Any mucus or?
Then it was explosive.
Okay. Any abdominal pain?
No.
No pain, just explosive.
Just
So-
continual.
But there's no mucus, no blood.
Mm-mm.
So that means his gut is hyperactive, meaning any kind of food intake or any kind of stimulation make his gut contract too fast, too strong. But there's not a damage of the lining in the gut because he didn't have blood and mucus. So we use acupuncture and herbs to treat the problems. And how's the herb taste?
Well, I put a little bit of honey in.
Always sweet taste.
Of
Yeah.
course.
And how long it takes to finally resume like normal bowel movement?
It took about 4 months, 3 months.
3-4 months. And now the bowel movement is formed, right?
Now it is perfect.
And how many times you have each day?
Now,
2-3 times?
2-3 times.
Okay. And the other thing I want to emphasize that David loved Coke before, right? And so when he first
Coca-Cola.
yes, he loved it. And the first time I told him that my plumber used that clean up the pipe in my kitchen.
That is true.
So how long it takes you finally to stop that Coke?
3-4 months.
3-4 months, yeah. David used to bring Coke to the treatment room, and I take the Coke and put it into the garbage can, right?
Very strict.
Did you take it out later?
Never.
Okay, good. So that's one habit. I was looking back at David's medical history. I think the metformin also plays the role there. Now he's normal, but he still have 3 bowel movement each day. Vegan has the similar issue, so the gut moves faster. But as long as it's formed and no blood, no mucus, then you can get absorbed, the nutrients absorbed more efficiently.
I'm very happy as it is.
Good. So, mhm.